Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Cater. Cater means provide food and drink for event. For example, he catered a lunch for 20 people. He catered a lunch for 20 people.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. I've always thought that women are better at catering and dealing with food. Now, repeat after me. I've always thought that women are better at catering and dealing with food. The second exempli. They provided catering and a television so people wouldn't miss the AFL Grand Final. Now, repeat after me. They provided catering and a television so people wouldn't miss the AFL Grand Final. The third exempli. He hopes to run his own cafe one day or to enter employment in catering. Now, repeat after me. He hopes to run his own cafe one day or to enter employment in catering.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the royal coat of arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.